this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this box in a card with the Pretty Perennials stamp set. So this fun box in a card folds flat so that you can mail it, and then opens up for a fun surprise for your recipient. So here is the Pretty Perennials bundle. It's got all these fun flowers and leaves, and then the dies cut out all the flowers and leaves, and there's extra dies for placing little elements on the flowers as well as some extra leaves. So I want to start off by showing you the template that I used to create this box. I started off with an 11 by 5.5 piece of cardstock, and I've scored it at 2 5/8, 5 1/4, 7 7/8, and 10 1/2. And then I've turned it onto the 5 1/2 side and scored it at 2 1/4. And then I have cut on all these lines right here, and I've cut away this corner right here so that I end up with a piece like this. Then I also have cut two little tabs that are 3 5/8 by 1 1/8, and I've scored them at 1/2 inch on either side, and I'm going to fold them opposite ways from each other, so one up and one down. So I've folded on all of these score lines, but I'm not going to fold on this 2 1/4 score line yet until I figure out which is my back and which is my front. So I'm going to put the flap in the back, and so this piece is my back right here because the flap is attached to my back. So that means this is my front, so I can fold the front down, and then I can fold my two sides down, and then I don't want to fold my back. I want that to be straight. So I'm going to decorate all of my 3 sides with the True Love Designer Series paper. Love these polka dots. So I'm just going to lay these flat so that I can add them easily. This paper is perfect because on the other side of each flower design is a geometric design, like these dots. So they're perfect for any occasion. And then this inside piece right here, I'm going to flip this over, has a longer piece that's going to give some stability to this score line right here. And this piece measures 2 1/2 by 2 1/2. That can't be right. By 2 3/4. And these pieces right here measured 2 1/2 by 2 1/8. So now that I have all these pieces on, I'm going to go ahead and attach this piece right here. And I'm going to use a strong adhesive, so I'm going to use a Stampin' Seal Plus. I'm just gonna line that up like that, flat. And then I've got the makings of my box started. And I've already stamped and cut out my flowers. So I have Poppy Parade, Mango Melody, Daffodil Delight, and then I have my little flowers in Highland Heather and Coastal Cabana, and all of my leaves are in Granny Apple Green. Lots of leaves. But first I need to put my little bridges in. So for the bridges, I'm going to use Stampin' Seal Plus. I need a strong adhesive to put them in. So I'm going to put adhesive on opposite sides. And then I'm going to fold those and try to place them so that they when it folds, it will fold flat, so, and straight across. Yeah. Okay, so tuck these in again and space it in between, and then one way, and then I'm just gonna fold it the other way and then fold it flat so it'll fold flat. And then I've got my two bridges that I can adhere my flowers to. So now I can start adhering my flowers. So I'm going to put my flowers on dimensionals. The big flowers are on dimensionals, and then all the little flowers are on glue dots, as well as the leaves. This one kind of high up, and actually I put these dimensionals in the wrong place. They need to be down low so that they can fit on the bridge. So I'm going to slowly and carefully peel these up and then put them on the bottom. So this is going to go on the bottom here like that. And then this one is going to go on the bottom too. This one I need to twist a little bit. There we go. Okay, now glue dots for the rest of them. So we'll use glue dots. We'll put them on the very bottom petal for the blue. So I'm just putting the blue just on the very top of the bridge right here. And then I'm going to do the same with the purple. Put that on the very bottom petal, and then put that kind of over near the Coastal Cabana one. And then I'm going to add some leaves with the glue dots. And then these two I'm going to put on mini dimensionals, as well as Happy. I've embossed Happy in white. And I've embossed Birthday. I'm going to trim this up a little bit. And add these little flowers. Add this one right here. Add this one over here or down here. And now glue dots for the rest of the leaves to add behind these flowers. Do a couple more leaves. One more right there. I think this one needs one more too. Here. And then I think this one needs one more, maybe down here, down inside. I'm gonna put one down inside. That's tricky. Maybe I should come in from the bottom. And then here. And there we have our box and a card. We're just gonna add the happy birthday. And there we go. I'm offering a class, a free card kit on the Pretty Perennials, and it consists of the box card, this diamond fold card, and this window card. So if you purchase the Pretty Perennials bundle, you'll receive this card kit for free, or you can go to my website and place a $30 order using the March Hostess code, and you'll get this card kit for free as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other Pretty Perennials video tutorials as well. I'll see you next time. Bye.